The following guidelines will facilitate the installation of your mosaic wall tiles. Please have the following tools and materials ready. Rubber float, V-notch trowel, tape measure, spacers, utility knife, level, wet saw with diamond blade, margin trowel or stir stick, safety glasses, sponge, cloth, and pencil. Adhesive. Modified thin sets are generally appropriate for mosaic tile installations. Non-sanded grout, stone sealer. Do you have all of your tools ready? Please take note of the following information prior to beginning your installation. Make sure the surface is leveled and clean prior to installation. If applying mosaic tile on gypsum, it is important to apply a coat of primer prior to beginning your mosaic wall tile installation. Inspect each tile prior to the installation. When installing tiles, mix and match tiles from different cartons for a natural look. If you are installing mosaic wall tiles in a shower, it is necessary to install a waterproof membrane. Install any trim or profile strips before installing the mosaic wall tile. Now you're ready to begin the installation of your mosaic wall tiles. Plan the placement of the tiles before beginning. The first tile should be placed at the center or near the center of the wall, keeping in mind that the last tile in each row should ideally be wider than half a tile. In order to make sure that the installation is leveled, proceed as illustrated. Apply an even 1/8 inch or 3 mm layer of adhesive using a notched side of a V-notch trowel. Once the adhesive has been applied, use the flat side of the V-notch trowel to flatten the surface. Make sure the bottom half of your surface is completed before beginning the top section. Spacers can be used to maintain a set distance between mosaic tile sheets. Using a rubber float, gently press each tile into the adhesive to ensure complete contact. To cut through the mesh of the mosaic tile sheets, use a utility knife along the back of the mosaic sheet. Use a wet saw with a diamond blade to cut through the mosaic tiles. Always wear safety glasses when using a wet saw. If using spacers, these should be removed once the adhesive is set prior to grouting. Keep your tools and your workspace clean as you install the tiles. Wipe tiles with a sponge to remove any residual adhesive. Apply a premium penetrating sealer prior to grouting for mosaic wall tiles which are made of stone or a blend of stone and other materials, making sure to only apply sealer onto the stone. Wait 24 hours before installing grout. Mix non-sanded tile grout and apply using your rubber float. Let the grout set for a few minutes, following the grout manufacturer's recommendations. Afterwards, even out the grout by wiping the tile with a wet sponge in a circular motion. Clean residual grout using a clean sponge within 5 to 10 minutes of grout application. We recommend removing excess grout by wiping it at an angle, as illustrated. After 12 hours, remove remaining haze using a dry towel or cloth. For a better finish, applying caulking between the mosaic wall tile and your countertop or other surface may be preferable. Now you can admire the final result. For more information, please refer to your installation guide.